Right. So this is my test AI. It follows a cube. But most importantly, it has speech recognition built into it. So right now it only has 2 commands. But you can say follow. And it will and then it will fail to recognize it. Hold on. Follow. Okay, there. Okay, then now it's active. So now I can tell it defend, and it stops. It there's no enemies around, but if there were, it would shoot around. It would just defend its position. Now, of course, this block is supposed to represent the character, so this is like his ally companion, which you can just leave behind to defend an area, or it can follow you. You have to be a bit specific. It's not perfect system. Just I could developed in less than 5 hours with mostly repurposed code, but I think it's pretty good. Defend. Takes a while to process, roughly about 1.5 seconds, but I think it has more to do with my shitty hardware than anything. Follow. It's pathfinding, it's also delayed, but this is a conscious choice to not make my computer explode. So it only refreshes every 35 Fs. I need to sleep more. Yeah, so just wanted to record it. Defend.